Hey there, Jeff back with you. And today's training hike is at George Rogers Clark State Park in Springfield, Ohio, right off of Route 70 and Route 4. You can probably hear the traffic in the background right now because it's pretty close up here at the front. But beautiful park. Prior to coming out here, I don't know, maybe about a year ago for a hike, I had only ever been out here in the 70s when I was in high school. My high school buddies and I used to come out here and brought my dad out here, my 93-year-old dad, not too long ago. Had a little hike, and I determined this would be a good place to come back and do another hike and get some more wind in my lungs to get ready for New Mexico. So this is George Rogers Clark Park. Here's a big tree that came down at some point. Ends up way over there. And I really like this other one too. This one's been down for a while. We saw that moss on there. Pretty cool. A lot of big trees out here. A lot of big trees out here. Small lake from the backside. They allow fishing. There's a fishing tournament coming up pretty soon, and they allow boats with no motors. So there is one guy out there right now. I saw him paddling out. I don't know if you can see him there in the background, but a little blue boat. Saw him paddling out when I was driving in a few minutes ago. And that is the lake and me tripping over a root. Happens, I guess, huh? We're going this way. the lake from another angle. I'm taking a trail that kind of winds around it. I want to split off here now, but just wanted to show you another little shot of the lake really quickly. I'll end up coming back to it again in a few minutes, I guess, because I'm going up Logan's Run right now. I don't think I'm going to run, but I'm going to go up it. I'm going to walk it. Okay, so Logan's Run comes up to the road, so I'm gonna head straight across, see if there are any other trails on the other side of all this. I want to take this and see where we get to. Let's head down it. So it's getting warm out here now, finally, in the 70s. All right, now I picked up another T trail. It goes a bunch of different ways. It goes left, it goes right, it keeps on going straight. I am going to keep on going straight and see what we got here. There's some cool trails. They're really grown in, which I think you can see from the video in the front, how close in all these are. But beautiful walk, beautiful park. Don't know where I'm gonna end up, but I'll end up somewhere back down the hill again. So I made it back to the parking lot. A little bit on the road, a little bit in the grass around the lake, but did make it back. I'll have to check on my app. Let's do that. Let's see if my app tells me how far I walked. I didn't start it all the way in. It says that I've burned 208 calories. Duration 52 minutes, 23 seconds. Keep going. Distance a little over 2 miles, which is about what I wanted to hit today. So not bad. Did a little backtracking in a couple of places. Average pace was 25:53 per mile, which is good for hiking. So, back to the car, back to the parking lot. Not a cloud in the sky right now. Yeah, a couple of clouds, but cloudless day nonetheless. So, all right, there was training hike number 2. I've made it back to the car again. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Please give me a like. Please subscribe if you would. You'll be seeing a lot of stuff from my trip. First stop on the way out is a campground in Tennessee. Second stop is a campground in Arkansas. Third stop is Palo Duro in Texas, which should be very cool. After that, I do get into New Mexico. I'll be in Truth or Consequences for a couple of days, staying in an Airbnb that has its own private hot springs. So should be pretty awesome. I'll see you on the road. This is Jeff signing out.